In today's video, we're going to talk about something that honestly doesn't get talked a lot about in the lawn care community. Um, Probably because it's not sexy. It doesn't really sell, if you will, so people just don't talk about it. But it's a quality that you must have in you if you want to have a nice lawn. There's really no two ways about it. And what I'm talking about is your ability as a homeowner to be flexible in lawn care. Now, as you guys know, I recently had this pipeline, gas line that was dug to go over to my neighbor's lawn. And I just want to give you guys a quick update here and show you, because we have liftoff. We have baby grass that is starting to germinate. So, which is really exciting because that means it won't be too long. But anyway, today's video, I want to talk about just being flexible. I think starting out the year, I think we all have a plan of how we want things to go in the lawn. For me personally, things in March were looking really, really good. The lawn was really popping. We had perfect conditions for growing grass. But if you know anything about life, you know anything about lawn care, things always change, right? And we as homeowners have to have the ability to be able to adapt, to be flexible, to not be so rigid all the time with the decisions that we make. And that's really one of the aspects of lawn care that just make it really difficult. Now, as you guys know, I put down my first application of pre-emergent back in late February, maybe mid-February. And it is time to put down a second application because I believe in doing a split app on my pre-emergent. So it's time to do it. So the reason why I'm making this video is because not because of what happened, but because of the decisions that I have to make going forward. Because, right, like I can't put pre-emergent down on top of this, right? Sure, I could miss this area if I wanted to, but I do run the risk of losing this grass because you can't put down a pre-emergent until after this has been mowed twice. By the time this has been mowed twice, it is going to be way too hot. It'll be way too late. It will be pointless and a waste of time. All right. And then in the back, you guys know we had some pine trees taken down. I had some damage. I repaired some areas. I've got some grass seed going back there. So ultimately, what I'm saying is I had a plan, and now that plan has to change. Now, this is exactly what is happening to me, but maybe there's a situation in your lawn that you're dealing with, and you have to learn to be flexible, whether that's with your mowing height or your watering schedule. Maybe it gets hot sooner rather than later, and you have to adjust your watering schedule or your mowing height, or maybe you get a fungus and what I'm saying is you have to have the ability to be flexible. And it is not, lawn care to some degree it's not cookie cutter. It is not one size fits all. So you get lawn advice, you get tips on lawn care, but you have to take all of that with a grain of salt and understand that you have to be flexible. So I'm really excited to have the new grass growing. That is awesome. But just wanted to spend a few moments today just kind of talking about flexibility and being flexible and not being so rigid with what goes on, and just kind of having the ability to be able to adapt your schedule, your mowing, your watering, your applications. Because at the end of the day, we're this is life. Like, life happens, things happen. We don't control the weather. There's so much that happens out here in the lawn that is way out of my control. And it is my job as the caretaker of this grass to try to do what is in the best interest of my grass. We talked about that in the video where we had the pine trees cut down. The whole reason I did that was because I was trying to make the best decision for my grass, for my turf. And part of why I'm not putting down a pre-emergent there's a lot of reasons why. I have healthy grass. I did get one application down. It's fairly thick. I'm diligent with watering. I do it the right way. I'm mowing correctly. Am I worried about weeds? No. Would I like to get a pre-emergent down? Of course I would. But things happen and I can't. And I'm trying to do what's best for the turf. So I think again, like I told you in the very beginning, this is not a sexy. So first of all, thank you so much for just sticking around at least to this far, because this isn't something that people talk about. We always want to talk about the products, or we want to talk about the magic bullet, or the secret sauce. And I guess the secret sauce in this is just the ability to be flexible and not be so rigid all the time. So take that for whatever it's worth. I hope it's just a lesson that you think about when you're making decisions. Make them for the best interest of your turf, based on the information that you have, and then roll with it and be flexible and be willing to change and not be so rigid all the time. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.